Hey folks, Jason, JTL Painfully Honest Tech back again today, and I have an unboxing, first impressions look at a new keyboard, at least new to me. I don't think it's been out for too long, but maybe I'm behind the times. It is the Logitech G413 Carbon series. Now it comes in this black sort of brushed metal top, also silver, and I decided I wanted to get it because this is what I've been using for a while. The G710. Now, yes, this thing is like super feature rich, and yes, this thing has all kinds of macro buttons and all kinds of stuff. I've had it for over a year, and I don't use any of this stuff because I never have the time to actually program any of this stuff to do any of the things that I want. And I needed something with a smaller footprint, and so that's why I picked up the G413 Carbon. It's got the Romer G switches, which are proprietary to Logitech. These have blue switches, Cherry MX Blue. So we're going to look at the Romer G and see what that is. I like the mechanical keyboard. I like the sounds, but I want something, since I'm often working with audio and I have live mics, I need something that's a little bit more quiet. So let's see what this guy is all about. Take it out of the box. Typical Logitech packaging. Pretty nice all around. We've got an extra USB port on the back. Again, it tells you a little bit about the Romer G switches. You have some options for your WASD keys and other things. And it's aluminum magnesium aircraft grade 5052 aluminum top. Anodized brushed slim premium. Premium. So that's that. Here we have the box. Nice interior box, color matched, doing the thing. So first we got this. Let's pull this out. And here we have vacuum wrapped like a few sausage links, a keycap remover, and a keycap remover, QWERTY WASD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 keys that are, I don't know, let's see if we can see. They're a little bit indented here, which is something that Logitech has been doing on some of the newer keyboards as opposed to the flat keys. Now, I would say that this keyboard is somewhere between a professional style keyboard and a gamer style keyboard. It has some of the qualities of a gamer style keyboard, but none of the super fancy macro blah 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 stuff that we see with something like the 710 or other Logitech or Razer type keyboards. Let's go ahead and unfold this and get this guy out. So we have here a couple of pieces of paper off to the side. So here we are now. Thick braided cable. This G710 cable, also thick but rubber. So this is nice. I like the braided cables. They have a premium quality to them. I like the braided cables. So, well, we don't have to undo that. And you see it's got two USBs, one for controlling the keyboard, one for powering the lights. This only lights up in red, which is fine with me because I like red. And I always find that multicolored RGB stuff on a keyboard just ends up annoying me. So let's enjoy this. Oh yeah. So nice. On the bottom here, we got some rubber feet. We've also got our flip-up standing feet. And this, I think, is for routing your headphone cable through so it doesn't get, I've got the same thing here, so you don't get all jacked up with your cables. 413 Carbon. Nice looking on the back. Let's flip it over. And we have nice matte black keys. So those are the Romer G's. Now let's get this guy in here. quieter than the Cherry MX Blues, but still not completely silent. I tell you what, I'm going to get this thing plugged in. I'm going to let you guys see what it looks like plugged in. And really, that's all there is to it. It's got a little piece of plastic over here. So here we are back with the G413 Carbon set up in my keyboard position. And as you can see, it works with the Logitech gaming software that all the other Logitech gaming peripherals work with. It has just a couple of lighting options. It's got breathing, as you can see, which always is a problem for me because I'm not a very good typist and I need to look at the keyboard, and so if the keys are dark and it's in a dark room, that's a problem for me. But yeah, it does take up much less space on the desk than the G710. I like the red lights, and I think it's going to be a nice addition to the setup. It's a keyboard. These Roamer G keys seem to feel pretty nice at this point. I'll come back with a full review later on and let you guys know what I think, but in the meantime, here it is. And let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, folks, so there it is, the Logitech G413 Carbon mechanical keyboard gaming / productivity style. And so far, I like what I'm seeing, and I think I'm going to enjoy it. I'll come back with a full review. I'll let you know what I think here in a few weeks. But as it is, I am excited to have this new piece of gear in my setup. It is $89 at Best Buy is what I picked up for yesterday, which is, as gaming keyboards go, not all that expensive. But with the brushed steel, aluminum, whatever, it's classy looking. It's got a smaller form factor, and I think it's going to be a pretty nice keyboard. So looking forward to what you guys think down in the comments. Until the next time, thanks for being here. My name is Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. Painfully honest review or unboxing, I guess, of the Logitech G413 Carbon mechanical keyboard. Until the next time, I am out.